Blessed Love family. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make okra water, because okra water has amazing health benefits. So stay with me till the end, because I'm going to show you how to make it, and then I'm going to share with you the benefits of drinking okra water. So first, you're going to have to wash the okra to make sure that it's clean, and then we're going to cut off the ends as you see me doing right now. So then we're going to cut it into some small pieces. Make sure your knife is sharper than mine. So we're going to be putting the okra into the mason jar. And then I'm going to be adding some spring water. Just use the water that you have. So we're going to be adding some water to it. This mason jar is more than 1.5 cups. It's maybe 2 cups. All right. So then we're going to cover it and let it soak at room temperature or in the refrigerator. And then you're going to leave this for at least 8 hours. So you can do 8 hours to 48 hours. I'm going to be leaving it for at least 24 hours. So you can do it in the evening and do it overnight, but you'll know when all the nutrients are in the water, when the water becomes a bit cloudy. So this is a close-up of the okra water. All right. So I'm going to also be preparing another mason jar, but I'm not going to be using water for this one. Stick around till the end to know what I'll be using for this okra water. All right, so I'm now going to be going for the mason jar. Putting the okra into the mason jar. All right, so now I'm going to be adding coconut water to this okra. I'm going to be using my coconut opener. You can click the link in my bio or in the description section to get the coconut opener. Again, we're going to cover and let it soak. So I'm going to be putting this in the fridge and leaving it to soak for at least 24 hours. So now I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of okra water. Okra water, made by soaking okra pods in water overnight, is a nutrient-rich, hydrating beverage packed with soluble fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, vitamin C, K, and folate. Its mucilage and fiber content have key health benefits. 1. Improved digestive health. The mucilage, a thick gel-like substance in okra, acts as a demulcent, coating the digestive tract, easing digestion, preventing constipation, and reducing bloating. 2. Blood sugar regulation. Due to its low glycemic index and fiber content, it helps slow sugar absorption, which may assist in managing blood sugar levels. 3. Heart health and cholesterol reduction. Soluble fiber in okra binds to cholesterol and bile acids, aiding in their removal from the body and supporting a healthy lipid profile. 4. Immune system support. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, regular consumption can help boost immunity against infections. 5. Weight management. The fiber content in okra helps increase feelings of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. 6. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants present in okra can help combat free radicals, promoting brighter, healthier skin. It has been 48 hours And now we're gonna have some okra water. All right, so this one is the coconut water. You can use a strainer or a cheesecloth and squeeze just to get the fluid and the slime and throw away the okra. But for this, I'm going to just be drinking the water while the okra is still in it. Very slimy, but this actually tastes good. You know what? I think because I have the coconut water with the aloe, and the aloe is also slimy, and I have that every morning, I think this is nothing for me, but it doesn't have a bad taste. I actually like it. So if you have had okra water, or if you're thinking about having okra water because of the amazing benefits, then comment the word okra so that I know that the information that I'm sharing is valuable. Until my next video, blessed love.